Hey, di-interview, dihempe, bokuta manala, sekgowa. Hey, akore ke lo re tjani boang ka dimehempe yana haya. Hle nne ke practice sekgowa ka yena plus ke motho wa sekgowa. Guy, ha ona moo a yang teng. Tlamehile re ke lo mo sheba ka kitchen. Ja fela mo. Hey, what are you doing in here?
Malome ke eng jwale?
Hey, I am uncle. Like, you must don't talk to me. Bua sekgowa man.
Yo, malome yo sekgowa o tjhesa je yo arabeke yo.
Man, tjani boy ke na le interview. Tlohella bua Sotho. Let's speak. I want to.
Okay, uncle, what do you want?
Hey, you are disrespecting me. Ha o no mpotsa ntho eo. Akere ke fitlile ka moo ke a o botsa ntho eo.
Wabo, tlamehile o hlalositse ntho kaofela ka sekgowa hlo no practice.
Hey man, yeah, do we? A re qale fatshe. Chani boy, what are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing, cuz.
Hey, ska bua senega. Ke batle sekgowa seo.
Okay, malome, I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, you see, I want that hemp of, yeah.
What are you saying?
Hempe, I want. Yeah.
Why?
You, Chani boy, a bona mpotsa ntho tseo. Mpotse ntho tsane.
Wabo malome, ke tlo botsang jwale.
Mpotse ka bo work hard, work smart. Mpotse ka bo ntho tseo.
Oh, okay. Why are you interested in working for this company?
Because Angeli, you call me, then money. I'm struggling, you know. Yeah.
Wena malome abonwa ya ga wena.
Hey, umpakela senyama wena botsa next. What's next? Ask me.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
Strength. Yeah, ke na le mata ke a sebetsa gagafu ha moke kaofela. Ha ona ntho e ke sa kgone mo e worka ke a sebetsa.
Weaknesses?
Ke anwa haholo, ke anwa. Ke yona fela ntho e maska wa ka ke tlo ba focused.
Malome wa tlameha ho tjwala. O bona ya bojwala tlameha se ka e bua.
Hey man, I'm an honest man. Ke honest. I work hard. Ape ke honest. Mago a rata ntho eo.
Malome ke bona potso ya o qetela mona. Ba re what position did you apply for?
Chief executive. Chief. Yeah, chief. Ke batla position eo ya bo chief.
Malome kanti wena o applyetse mosebetsi wa eng hantle?
Ke tsebe ba mfounetse man, ba mfounetse. Ebile se ke le enough. Give me that hemp. Sekgowa sa hao le sa ka di a tshwana, wa nthusa ka nix.
Whatever you nonsense. Le wena o nonsense.